Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to slide a Miata. First, find a safe, open area like a large parking lot or a dedicated track. Make sure your car is in excellent mechanical shape, especially the tires and brakes. Crucially, turn off all electronic aids such as traction and stability control. Begin with very low speeds and gentle steering inputs to get a feel for the car's behavior and how it reacts. To initiate a slide, approach a corner at a moderate speed. As you enter the turn, turn the steering wheel sharply into the corner. Then apply a quick, firm jab of the throttle. This action will cause the rear wheels to lose traction, and you'll feel the car's rear end begin to break loose. Remember, smooth inputs are key, even when being decisive. Once the slide begins, you need to control it. Immediately countersteer by turning the steering wheel in the direction the rear of the car is sliding. Modulate the throttle to maintain your desired slide angle. Too much gas will cause a spin. Too little will straighten you out. Look where you want the car to go and make small, precise adjustments to both steering and throttle. To exit the slide, gradually reduce your throttle input. As the car begins to straighten, smoothly unwind the countersteer, bringing the steering wheel back to a neutral position. Once the car is aligned, you can gently accelerate out of the corner. Practice makes perfect, so be patient and enjoy the process of mastering Miata sliding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.